everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to download Binance application for your PC. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Downloading Binance application for your PC is quite simple. Simply open up a web browser first. You can open up any web browser of your choice, and now in the URL box, simply type in www.binance.com/en/download. Now simply press the enter on your keyboard and you'll be taken to this page. From this page, you'll be able to see the download links displayed, which is available for your mobile devices as well as desktop. In order to download Binance application for your Windows, simply click on the download for Windows button. Similarly, there are other options which is available for Mac OS, Linux, and you can also get the application downloaded on your smartphone. Now in today's video, we're going to download it for our PC, so let's click on this download for Windows button and you'll be able to see a pop-up at the upper right hand corner. The setup file for Binance application is being downloaded. Wait for the file to get downloaded and you'll be able to set up the app for your PC. Now click on open file in order to open up this setup file and your installation process should begin. Now you can minimize this window and wait for the application to be installed. In the installer pop-up, click on the language drop-down and select the language of your choice for the application and click OK. Choose the destination folder where you want to put this file to. You can click on browse and select if you want to select a folder where you like this application to end up, and once you are done, click install. Now all you need to do is wait for some time and click on finish in order to finish setting up your application. That way you can see the shortcut appearing on your Windows for Binance. Simply click open the application and that is how you can easily download Binance application for your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.